Yung salitang, I can't live without you, ang ganda po siyang pakinggan. Pero ang totoo, hindi siya makatotohanan. Ang pwede mong pagsabihan ng salitang, I can't live without you, it's not your husband, it's not your wife, not your son and daughters, or any friends you have. Ang pinakamagandang masasabihan mo ng salitang, I can't live without you, is no other than the Lord. Na talagang sasabihin mo, Lord, you can take everything in my life, but not your presence. Lord, ang totoo, hindi ko kayang mabuhay kung wala ka. At yun yung totoo. We cannot live without God. Amen.